In this review, we will be discussing in detail the best budget tablet available in the market today. This list was created based on my viewpoints as well as the cost situation in the market. So whether you need the best budget tablet, this list will show the products available for that. If you want more information and price, please check the product link below the description. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. Buying Guide presents Top 5 Best Budget Tablet. Let's get started.
Purchasing the perfect product for your usage is our topmost priority. We aim to give away our best guidelines for you, the viewers only, so you won't hesitate or get confused while selecting the products from the market. Thanks for staying with us.
Number 5. Lectrus Factory Android Tablet. The powerful and energy-saving 64 bits quad-core processor up to 1.5 GHz. The 6000 mAh lithium polymer battery. Front 2.0 MP and rear 8.0 MP dual cameras. Lectrus 10-inch Amazon tablet PC adopts a 1280 by 800 brilliant HD IPS display. A fully equipped laboratory greatly enhances product reliability. Semi-automated production line, QC department rigorously inspects to ensure product quality. Number 4. VastKing KingPad Z10 Tablet. 10.1-inch HD 1280 by 800 resolution IPS display. Faster 1.3 GHz quad-core processor. 2 GB RAM. 32 GB internal storage. 2 MP front and 8 MP rear-facing cameras. Built-in noise cancellation microphone. 6000 mAh built-in rechargeable battery. Built-in GPS/dual speakers. Google Assistant's voice control. Number 3. Dragon Touch 10-inch Android tablet. Wide color gamut display. Quantum dot resolution. A high-performance 1.6 GHz octa-core processor. 3 GB RAM and 32 GB internal storage. 10.1-inch FHD 1080p IPS screen. Built-in Google Assistant, you can quickly get answers, take calls. Built-in GPS tablets to run maps offline. 5000 mAh battery and smart power-saving technology allow gaming for over 10 hours. Number 2. Motornus MB1001 Touchscreen Tablets. A highly integrated A133 application processor. 6000 mAh built-in rechargeable battery. 2 high-quality speakers with headphone jack. Front 2 MP and rear 5 MP camera. 64-bit 4x 1.6 GHz quad-core Cortex A53 CPU. Android 10.0 Go operating system. 10-inch HD 1280 by 800 touchscreen. Number 1. Samsung Electronics Galaxy Tab A7 Lite. Compatible with Verizon network only. It's a compact 8.7-inch screen, slim design, and sturdy metal frame. Comes with fast speed and plenty of storage for multiple users. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and LTE connectivity. The upgraded metal frame helps protect against everyday bumps and bangs. A dynamic interface lets you control all your devices at the same time. Dual speakers with Dolby Atmos deliver balanced, high-quality stereo sound.
If you watched our videos, please don't forget to like and share our videos so that others can get benefit from it. For more updates and notifications, please subscribe to our channel by clicking the bell icon.